lovely people, this is an introduction video to my channel and I welcome you all with open hearts to Deal It with D. I am your man D here to talk about all you want and all you need. Through this channel, I will be sharing lots of uber cool information covering up grooming, fitness, lifestyle and fashion, information on nutrition, plus lots of useful data for aspiring models who wish to take modeling professionally, as there is not much information available which is practical, sane and achievable. So open your mind caps and let's deal it with D. I will be posting videos every Fridays for my charming men and every alternate Wednesday for my Wonder Woman. After all, Wednesdays are for ladies' nights. I'll be sharing my email address so you can post your queries and I can make videos for you. Also, you can support my work on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Digansh. Also, this comment section is all yours for your suggestions, comments, likes, love and hate. Oh no, don't do that, mate. Learning should never stop. So let's do it and deal it with D.